Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, ARS Buddies. We made our own slime. In this video, we're going to show how we made it so you can make it too. The first step is to empty a whole bottle of white glue. The next step is to add color to your slime. I like pink, so I'm adding pink color. You have to mix until the color is completely blended with the glue. Mine is a nice pink color now. This is what I needed. The next step is to add some shaving cream. This is to make your slime more fluffy. It's nice to play with it when it's more fluffy and soft. Now I'm mixing the shaving cream with the colored glue. I'm adding more shaving cream to make it fluffier. This looks so nice, but it's not slimy yet. One more secret ingredient to go. The magical liquid. Without it, it'll just look like cotton candy. Now we can add 2 or 3 drops of it to make it nice, good slime. Now after we added the secret ingredient, now we're gonna mix to turn it into real slime. If it's not turning slimy, just add more of the secret ingredient in, like me. Mine is turning a little slimy now. Don't forget to keep stirring. Now it's complete slime. See how much I got because of the shaving cream? It's more fluffy and slimy, like how I wanted it. Now I'm touching the slime to see if it really turned into cool. Now look at it, it's so sticky. It's all ready, so I started playing with my sister immediately. Do you want to start playing? Try making this slime same like us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Now we can play. Yeah. Time to touch. Yeah.